Yes, now I shall going to start our machine. Make sure our machine, let's go. Our machine is start. So now our machine it is start. That is the real part 2. So now I shall going to set this temperature. Let's do just to look the humidity. What I sense. You will look like you are heating. So it's simple like this. How to control the incubator at home. Simple like this. So guys, make sure to subscribe, smash notification bell, share with your friend. Never miss another upload. Thank you.